सो भाई दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका एक और नए गेम प्ले में। और आज हम फिर से खेलने जा रहे हैं असासिन क्रीड ओडेसी। जैसा कि आपने पिछले एपिसोड में देखा था कि हम एल्पिनोर को मारने गए थे ताकि उसके पास से कपड़ा और मास्क ले सकें, और उसकी वजह से हम एंटर हुए थे कल्ट ऑफ कॉस्मोस के ग्रुप में। लेकिन हमें अंदर जाके थोड़े क्लू ढूंढने थे। हमने क्लू तो ढूंढ लिए, हमें एक मिला था वहाँ पे ट्राइंगल शेप का कुछ देखने को सिस्टम। और हमने जब एल्पिनोर को मारा था तो उसके पास से टुकड़ा बरामद हुआ था, वो टुकड़ा उसी चीज़ का था। लेकिन उसी समय पे वहाँ पे आ जाती है कसेंड्रा, शायद हाँ कसेंड्रा नाम था उसका, जो कि एलेक्सियोस की बहन थी। जैसा कि आपने सबसे पहले देखा था कि हमें दो करेक्टर मिले थे। तो उसके बाद से जब उसने देखा कि एल्पिनोर को मारने वाला यहीं पे है, तो उसने सभी लोगों से उसके ऊपर हाथ रखने के लिए बोला। लेकिन जो निर्दोष था उनको कुछ नहीं हुआ। एलेक्सियोस की बारी आई तो एक दूसरे की मेमोरी इनके बीच में शेयर हो चुकी थी। तभी कसेंड्रा ने बोला एलेक्सियोस को कि तुम यहाँ से चले जाओ। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि वो जान चुकी है कि एलेक्सियोस उसका भाई है। तो भाई उसके बाद से हमें एक नया टास्क मिला है कि जितने भी कल्ट्स के मेंबर हैं, मैं आपको दिखा देता हूँ एक बार। ये जितने भी कल्ट्स के मेंबर हैं हमें सबको निपटाना है, और ताकि हम ये बीच में गोल्डन वाले के पास पहुँच सके, शायद उसका नाम डिमोन्स है। तो भाई सबसे पहले हम जाएंगे कल्ट्स ग्रुप मेंबर को मारने। तो भाई चलो जल्दी से चलते हैं गेम में। और अभी गेम में मज़ा आने वाला है, क्योंकि हम जिनसे टक्कर लेंगे वो हमारे से 2 या 3 लेवल ऊपर होंगे। तो भाई बिना किसी देरी के चलो गेम को करते हैं स्टार्ट। हमें जाना है थोड़ी दूर, इसलिए हम जर्नी को कट कर रहे हैं ताकि हम जल्दी से पहुंच सकें।
Commander at the helm! Dock the ship!
तो भाई ग्रुप के मेंबर्स को हम बाद में ख़त्म करेंगे। हमें पहले एक दूसरे मिशन पे जाना है। एक नया मिशन मिला है, मिस्टीरियस स्ट्रक्चर के पास जाना है हमें।
Let's set sail!
तो जल्दी से चलते हैं, वहाँ जर्नी को कट करके ही पहुँचूँगा।
We're at full speed! We'll show them what we're made of! Archer! Ready! Forward! Go! Let's go! Increase speed! More speed! Head for open water! Rowers, go! Go!
Rowers need time to rest!
Increase speed! Let's go!
Rowers
Speed
need a
up!
break, Commander!
More speed! More oars!
Salvage nearby!
Let's move! Faster!
Can't go any faster!
Increase speed! Rowers, go! Head for open water! Forward!
Rowers need
Faster!
time to rest!
Onward! More speed!
Can't
Head
keep
for open
going at
water!
this speed!
Increase speed! Speed up! More
Can't go
speed!
any faster, Commander!
Let's move! More oars! Onward!
Rowers can't keep this up!
Question I ask you.
Go on.
Speed. How did you find it?
My mother told me that the Spartan army brought it back from the Battle of Thermopylae.
Why bring it back to England?
Leonidas was her father.
Incredible. And it gives you visions. Perhaps it's trying to guide you. Show you a path.
There's more. It helps me in battle.
What do you mean?
I can't really describe it. It's like I know what my opponent's next move will be, just before it happens.
Fascinating. This is just extraordinary.
Let's go! Rowers, go!
Rowers need
Increase
time to
speed!
rest!
Faster! Forward!
We are at full
Faster!
speed, Commander!
More speed! Go!
Rowers
More
can't keep
speed!
this up, Commander!
Head for open water! More speed!
We are
More
going as
oars!
fast as we can, Commander!
Let's move! Let's go!
Can't go any
Increase
faster.
speed! Throwers, go! Faster! Increase
तो भाई हम पहुंच चुके हैं अपने फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पे। तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि हमने वो वाला मिशन स्किप क्यों किया, क्योंकि भाई हमारा थोड़ा लेवल है कम। वहाँ पे जितने भी लोग हैं वो जो है ज़्यादा लेवल के। तो भाई यहाँ से हम थोड़ा बहुत लेवल अप करेंगे, फिर उनसे पंगा लेंगे, क्योंकि भाई उन ज़्यादा लेवल होने के कारण हम जीतने के चांस तो ना के बराबर हैं।
We need you! Forward!
तो हमें अब जगह देखनी पड़ेगी बोट पार्किंग, सॉरी शिप पार्क करने के लिए।
We need to
Throwers,
let the rowers
go!
catch the threats.
Faster! Faster!
पत्थर में अटक गई थी थोड़ी।
We need to let the
Forward.
rowers rest, Commander.
Go! Onward!
Salvage nearby. Shall we pick it up?
Increase speed! More speed!
Commander, the rowers can't
More
keep
speed.
this up.
Head for open water! Let's go!
We can't go any faster, Commander.
Speed up! More oars! Increase speed!
We can
Let's
pull
go.
away again after the rowers catch the threats. The rowers need a break, Commander.
Go! More speed!
We're
Let's
going
go.
as fast as we can.
Rowers, go! Faster! Head
Can't
for
keep
open
going
water!
at this speed.
More speed! Increase speed! Forward!
We're going as fast as we can.
Onward! Increase speed!
The rowers need time to
More
rest.
oars! Faster! Speed up!
Commander, the rowers
Let's
need
move.
time to rest.
Increase speed!
We can't go any faster.
Ready arrows!
A miss.
Hit them!
भाई डॉग तो ढूंढते ढूंढते हम इतनी दूर आ गए कि हमारे पास एक शिप आ गई और हमें पता भी नहीं चला, इसने हमला कर दिया। तो पहले भाई इसी को निपटाते हैं।
Now! Speed!
They're going to hit us.
Archers! Get ready to fire! Attack!
लेकिन इसको निपटा के ही जाएंगे बस अब।
Archers! Ready yourselves! Release now! Spear! Fire! Archers! Get ready!
तो वही उड़ा दिया इसको। तो
Yes, here we can see the tomb of the greatest Myrmidon, Achilles.
I was more excited by the fact that Andros exposed some of the most expensive marble.
Is this the place with the rumored ancient civilization ruins you were talking about?
तो भाई किंग को दौड़ा के नीचे फेंक दिया हमने। चल तू भी नीचे चल।
I've got it now!
नया वेपन मिला है हमें, लेकिन अच्छा मर गया राजा। ओ भाई आग लगी बोट में तो। अब जल्दी से भाई शिप की पार्किंग ढूंढते हैं यार।
Let's move it!
I don't think they can pull the oars any faster.
Faster! Let's go!
We are
Head
at
for
full
open
speed,
water.
Commander.
Faster! More speed! Off we go.
इस आयरलैंड का नाम है एंड्रोस। तो देखते हैं भाई हमें यहाँ कुछ देखने को मिलेगा या नहीं।
Yeah! Ella. Yeah. Come on. Ella. Here it is.
ठीक है भाई ये एंट्रेंस है इसकी।
Is that a
एंट्रेंस तो
door?
बंद पड़ी है यार।
Never seen anything like it before.
अब ये खुलेगी कैसे? अच्छा मुझे ही खोलनी है।
How do I get inside? I wonder if...
तो भाई मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये पूरी जगह जहाँ पे ये जाता है ना इसके बचपन से जुड़ी है। ये उसी समय
Who's there? Come out!
इस बचपन में चला जाता है ये अपने।
Hesitation only hastens.
The grave, I know matter.
Your form is improving. Your resolve is strong, but you're not taking action.
I was going to.
I know, but it's the moments in between that decide everything. Your turn.
अच्छा ठीक है भाई इसका
You're old
इसके
enough.
पास जो भाला है ये इसे मरियन ने दिया
My
था।
father's spear holds
आपको
certain
पता ही ये भाला
weapons.
किंग लियोनेडस का है।
You're ready.
I felt something.
Huh?
The spear. It has magic.
ये बोल रहा है कि ये भाला मैजिकली यानी कि जादुई है।
Bloodline of incredible heroes. The same blood within you and me and our family.
All of us?
ये बता रही है कि हमारे अंदर जो भी खून है वो स्पार्टन का सेम ब्लड है हमारे अंदर।
Courage. And he made a great sacrifice. You share his blood and the strength he possessed. We are able to feel certain things happening around us. That is our family's gift. But not everyone understands that. Some recognize the power we bear and want it only for themselves. They will try to take it from us.
I won't let them.
I know. You're a warrior. If we keep moving forward, always moving
मरियन बोल रही है कि तुम योद्धा हो।
untouchable. Storms coming in.
Then maybe we should move
तूफान आने वाला है
forward
भाई
now.
यहाँ पे। इस जगह का रास्ता ही भाले से ही खुला है।
By the gods, who built all this? How does a place like this exist? How could I even explain this to someone like Marcos?
भाई ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है जैसा कि ये आधुनिक दुनिया में पहुंच चुका है, लग ही नहीं रहा ये पहले ज़माने की गेम है।
Something's glowing over there.
अच्छा, ये टुकड़ा यहाँ पे लगाना है जो इसे एल्पिनोर के पास से मिला था।
Forge activated. Synchronizing retransmission chronicity. Contact engaged.
Deimos.
ये तो भाई गेम ने लैला हसन के पास पहुंचा दिया जो कि इनके बारे में जानना चाहती थी।
Don't understand. This confirms it. Alexios didn't just have Isu technology, he had the means to improve it. Imagine how powerful the staff could be.
I admit, that could be an incredible find. But right now, I'm the doctor, and I take care of you. Now get some rest before you go back to Alexios.
No time to rest. Abstergo goons could be tracking us down right now.
And the rest of us will be ready for them. If you burn out here, our mission will be done.
They told me you had a cheerful bedside manner.
Don't forget, we're a team. We'll back you up until you're finished your investigation.
I know. Kyoshi secured the loft yesterday and he's keeping an eye out. Elena's on call doing historical research.
And I'm here to talk if you're feeling any confusion from the Animus.
Always the therapist. I'll go stretch my legs. Too bad we don't have access to the Abstergo gym anymore, huh?
Membership costs too much.
अच्छा, हमें कुछ करना है क्या यहाँ पे? हाँ।
Fascinating. Layla, can you believe we're meeting Herodotus himself?
I can. He sure does talk a lot.
Is there anything I can help you with?
So, does what I'm seeing as Alexios match your research? I had to tweak the Animus to use what we have of the book as a reference.
That book is a lost...
Most people would talk about...
I've loved history since...
You make your...
What?
I'll leave you to your work.
If you need anything. Do you need something?
I'll leave you to your work.
If you need anything, just let me know.
I should check my email. The center of the universe, circa 400 BCE.
Are you sure you want to go back into the Animus right now? I get the impression you'll be there a long
तो भाई ये
time.
डॉक्टर बोल रही है कि हमारी रिसर्च पूरी हो चुकी है, लेकिन लैला हसन बोल रही है कि मुझे और रिसर्च करना है अभी।
Yes, I'm ready to go back to Alexios.
All right.
यानी कि कहानी अभी और चलेगी।
My spear is stronger now. The cult won't stand a chance.
भाई से पता चल गया कि इसका भाला स्ट्रॉन्ग है। इसे अपग्रेड करवाना पड़ेगा अभी। चलो भाई हीरो डॉट उससे बात करते हैं अब।
It's clear. Someone was here far before we were. Did Leonidas know this place existed?
गुफा बड़ी खतरनाक बना रखी है भाई अंदर से। ओ भाई हमला हो चुका है इसके ऊपर। ओए डिमोन्स यानी कि कैसेंड्रा आ चुकी है यहाँ पे।
You're not hard to track.
Did you come alone? Are you all right? Cassandra, you're alive.
Don't touch me.
Oh, come on, little sister.
भाई ये इसको देख के खुश हो गया और ये बोल रही है कि मुझे हाथ
I
मत
don't
लगाना।
have to tell you anything. I don't know you.
Well, I know you. It doesn't matter. There's more
कैसेंड्रा को
important
अभी
things
पता
to
नहीं है
argue
कि इसका
about.
भाई एलेक्सियोस है।
You're right. Like that stunt you pulled with the artifact. It got my attention.
आर्मर देखो भाई इसके कितने खतरनाक है गोल्डन, और हमारे पास
The
देखो कैसे है।
artifact showed the truth. We're family, and we made it out of Sparta alive.
Yes, it did show the truth. It confirmed what I always knew. You threw me off a fucking mountain.
भाई अब इसको जवाब देना, ये कैसेंड्रा को ऐसे लगता है कि इसको एलेक्सियोस ने ही फेंका था, तो उसके बताते हैं कि ये गलत बोल रही है।
If that's what you think, Cassandra, you must have hit your head on the way down.
I've heard the story, and not from a liar like you. And never call me Cassandra.
Right, Rimos. Now her, I don't know.
She's a demigod.
इसने मना कर दिया कि मेरे को
worshipped and
कैसेंड्रा मत
feared
बुलाओ,
by
मैं
the
डेमोन्स
king
हूँ।
And all the Greek world.
Sounds like a fantasy to me. Did the cult cook that story up too?
I'd watch your fucking mouth, or I'll shut it for you.
You didn't when you had the chance before, and I bet you won't now. This is stupid. We need to find our mother.
I'm not interested in reunion. I just want to know what you think you're doing.
Same thing as your cult. Looking for Myrine, our mother.
They don't need her.
Your cultists think differently. She's their next target.
If they ever pursued her, it would be to kill her. But if you don't know where she is, that means she abandoned you too. How sad.
Even if we were abandoned, we survived. We can go back to the way things were if we can find her.
The cult has no interest in sentimentality or family. Its only aim is control.
तो भाई ये बोल रही है कि मुझे माता पिता से कुछ नहीं लेना, सिर्फ मुझे इस दुनिया को कंट्रोल करना है। अब इसको क्या बताए कि निकोलाउस को हमने मारा या नहीं मारा। बोलते हैं नहीं मारा, सच बता देते हैं इसको।
If it's true they're after us, Tell them they'll never find Nikolaos. He's off the map. Trust me, I've searched myself.
If I could find you, the other long-lost child of Nikolaos, then I can find him. And when I do, he'll wish he was thrown off that mountain.
I don't care what you think. I'll find Merini. Do the right thing. Come with me.
What?
बोल रहा है भाई मरीनी को ढूंढने मेरे साथ चलो.
You could help me.
Oh,
मरीनी यानी कि इनकी मदर.
friendship is the answer. Running around like lost children looking for dear mater. You're so weak.
एलेक्सियोस की बेइज्जती कर दी इसने कि तुम अभी वीक हो.
It's responsibility, not weakness. I won't abandon the whole family just for spite.
Responsibility? Get off your high horse. The cult has a plan, and it won't be interrupted by the likes of you.
Taking your own mother isn't enough for them.
We're not abductors. We're political. Those who don't stand with us stand against us, and they pay for that mistake.
Like me?
Like you. I heard you're planning a trip to Athens. When you go, tell Pericles and his elitist scum they're next.
The cult let Myrrine live. They let Nikolaos live. Why kill them now?
Because you live. You brought this on her and yourself. The cult is powerful, but they're mortals. I have the blood of gods, so they think you do too. But they'll see how wrong they are.
भाई ये बोल रही है कि इसके अंदर स्पार्टो का खून नहीं है, इसके अंदर भगवान का खून है.
I'm going after the cult, you know.
You've seen our numbers. You've seen what I can do, and you still think you stand a chance?
Try me.
So having guts runs in the family, does it? You claim we have the same blood, so let's see what you can do.
We still found each other, sister.
I told you not to touch me.
भाई ये लड़ने के लिए तैयार हो रही है, लेकिन एलेक्सियोस इसको बोल रहा है कि तू मेरी बहन है. ये मानने को तैयार नहीं है.
Malaka. Herodotus. He needs to know about this.
चलो अब जल्दी से हेरोडोटस के पास चलते हैं.
Well, was the legend true? Was it magnificent? What happened to you? And your spear?
Slow down, Herodotus. My spear is stronger now. I can feel it.
भाई इसका भाला और भी शक्तिशाली हो चुका है. ये बोल रहा है कि मैंने फील किया है.
It showed me a vision of me and my mother.
So, the ancient civilization is real. Alexios, you have no idea the power you possess. All harnessed in Leonidas' spear.
That's not everything. Deimos followed me here. The cult's already moving. She told me herself. They're going after us. My family. Pericles.
Why would she tell you? Unless it was a trap.
It doesn't matter. We have to get to Athens to warn Pericles. And we need to find my mother before they do.
Then, we go to the Pnyx. If Pericles is anywhere, he's there.
तो वही हाथ धो के कल्ट इसके पीछे पड़ गए हैं और इसकी मदर को भी मारना चाहते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले हमें उसको ढूंढना पड़ेगा भाई।
Get ready to leave!
Welcome back! Where shall we go?
ट्राइंगल की शेप का शायद यार वही है जहाँ से हम अभी आए हैं।
Ready for departure!
Where to now, Commander?
I want tight!
We're going as fast as we can!
Head for open water! Forward!
We need
Speed
to let
up!
the roars catch the breath!
Let's move! More speed! Let's go!
The roars need time to rest!
Rowers, go! Increase speed!
We can
Go!
pull away again after the roars catch their breath!
Increase speed! More speed!
We are going as fast as we can,
Faster!
Commander!
Onward! Rowers,
Need a
go!
break, Commander! The Adrestia was built to survive the worst storms and the toughest battles. But she was meant to sail on waters as glorious as this. We can't go any
Onward!
faster, Commander!
Increase speed! Head for open water!
I
Go!
don't think they can pull the oars any faster!
Increase speed! Forward!
We are
More
at full
speed!
speed, Commander!
Faster!
Not spread, Commander!
Let's move!
It's a merchant ship! The roars
Let's go!
need time to rest!
Faster! Speed up!
Commander, the
More
roars can't
speed!
keep this up! Commander, that's a civilian ship!
More speed!
The
Head for
roars
open
can't
water!
keep this up, Commander!
Faster! More oars!
We
More
need to let
speed!
the roars rest, Commander!
Onward! Forward!
We can't
Let's
go
go!
any faster!
Let's move! Faster!
We can't keep going at this speed!
Increase speed! Rowers, go!
Commander, the
Increase
roars
speed!
can't keep this up!
Speed up! Go!
The commander's left the helm!
There's much
Increase speed!
When you're ready, meet me at the Pnyx in Athens.
तो भाई हम यहाँ पे एथेन से बातचीत करने आए हैं। फिनिक्स नाम है उसका। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि हमें वो युद्ध में उतारेगा।
Time for a ride.
हैती का नाम है इस जगह का। तो चलो देखते हैं भाई, बातचीत करते हैं उसके साथ, क्या बताता है हमें। किला तो भाई जबरदस्त लग रहा है उसका। मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि मैं पहले यहाँ पे आया हूँ। आया हूँ यार, शायद मैं पहले यहाँ पे ना आया नहीं, गलतफहमी हो चुकी है हमें।
Athens. Let's see what this city has in store for me.
अभी जाके बातचीत करते हैं, देखते हैं वो क्या बताता है हमें। वैसे मुझे लग रहा है कि पूरा युद्ध का प्लान चल रहा है यहाँ पे।
I'll be fine, as long as I don't get into a fight. Ella.
घोड़े का भी वही मैंने जहाज बना रखा है, जहाँ मर्जी से कुदा देता हूँ इसको बेचारे को।
Come on. पेरिक्लिस नाम है भाई जिस बंदे से हम मिलने आए हैं। Friends, please! Just because the Spartans are near our walls does not mean we can act like them.
इनके आसपास स्पार्टन पहुंच चुके हैं भाई। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि अब हमें पिछली बार से उल्टा करना पड़ेगा, हम स्पार्टन्स के साथ लड़ेंगे।
Shame the Spartans burned the fields where it grew. The Parthenon is glorious, Pericles, but at what cost? How many triremes could we have built instead? We must not become divided! We are divided! And the Spartans are winning! Act, Pericles, or I will!
Oh, good. You came. Things are worse than I feared. Cleon has turned the mob. We have to hurry.
Where?
To Pericles.
नए बंदे के साथ बातचीत करनी पड़ेगी। अच्छा वो ही है ये तो, पेरिक्लिस।
Stay back! He's no threat to Pericles. I assure you.
Ah, Herodotus. It's fine. Let them through.
It's good to see you again, Pericles.
And you as well. I only wish it were under better circumstances. And who's this?
Alexios.
Welcome,
इसके बारे में
Alexios.
पूछताछ कर रहा है भाई
What did you
पेरिक्लिस।
think of your first taste of Athens? Nothing to say? Others would do well to realize silence is as much of an answer as anything else. A crowd will seize the very first easy answer that comes its way, like a hungry dog on a bone.
Pericles, we've come to...
We must choose our moment wisely and speak our words more privately.
Fine. We've come to you on urgent business.
As does everybody.
I may have told Alexios you'd invite him to your symposium.
You'd ask me to exclude every Athenian and invite an outsider instead. You heard the crowd. They don't need another reason to hate me.
If he's working for you, maybe the prying eyes will see him as a servant.
I'm no one's servant.
Alexios, this is Athens.
भाई हीरोडोटस इसको सर्वेंट बोल रहा है कि ये पैसे के लिए काम करता है,
And what exactly is it?
लेकिन एलेक्सियोस को ये बात बुरी लगी है।
We're all after something. Even you.
You're better at reading others than you let on.
Just tell me what to do.
First, check on my colleague, Medios. He was meant to meet me today, and it's not like him to miss an appointment.
Done.
My friend, Phidias, needs to be taken out of Athens as soon as possible.
Anything else?
Yes. There is an ostracism vote taking place that could use your influence.
Metiochos. You said he was your colleague?
A politician and ally. He's one of my most loyal friends.
I'll do it.
I'll expect you to use discretion.
That went well. It isn't exactly an invitation, but the promise of one is just as cool. Although I'm sure he'll still ask Aspasia if it's okay.
So long as it comes.
We ride!
You are going to kill someone! Move or I'll run you over!
Come on!
Off we go now.
Λέγονε με αυτό.
Got to be careful not to get spotted.
You must be the one Pericles sent.
I am. He said there is an ostracism vote, but didn't tell me what I'm here to do.
Of course he didn't. That's what I'm for.
What does someone have to do to be ostracized?
Anyone seen as a threat to the city or the people is enough. And then it is up to the vote. Some have been ostracized for simply being more disliked than the person they're up against.
If someone is exiled, can they return?
If they do, they'll be punished.
What's my role in this?
The votes have already been cast. We don't have long before they're counted. Take the Ostraka in this bag and exchange them with the ones currently under guard.
You want me to rig the ostracism?
Pericles does. And he has his reasons, I'm sure. Bring me the bag you took from the room and I'll take care of the rest.
No one will see me go in or out. Stay here. Goods from all over the Greek world. You wouldn't think the city was besieged by an army of Spartans. They'll be on high alert here.
तो भाई हमने मार्क कर दिया यहाँ पे, लेकिन इनकी निगाहों से बच के जाना पड़ेगा थोड़ा। अपने से लेवल बहुत अप है इन लोगों का। भागना पड़ेगा यार यहाँ से। थोड़ा वेट करते हैं कि आप ये ऊपर ना आ पाए। वेट कर लेते हैं यार थोड़ा। 15 लेवल के हैं भाई, एक बार में ख़त्म कर देंगे हमें ये। इससे भी नीचे जाना है क्या कहीं पे? देख लिया भाई उसने। भागते हैं यहाँ से, दोबारा आएंगे। भाई यहाँ पे तो लोग भी पीछे पड़ गए यार हमारे।
Let's go.
हटा ही नहीं आ रही है तो पीछे ही आई जा रहा है। वो सामने वाला कमरा है ना जो, उसमें जाना है। लेकिन जाएं कैसे? वही एक सामान तो उठा लिया हमने। अब जान को जोखिम में डाल के जल्दी से अंदर भागते हैं। चलो भाई भाग लेते हैं जल्दी से यहाँ से। वैसे मारना किसी को नहीं था, लेकिन मरता भी हमारे पास से कोई नहीं भाई। यहाँ पे 15-15 लेवल के थे सारे बंदे, तो भागने में ही फ़ायदा है। अब हमारा काम तो हो ही चुका है। ओ भाई मुर्गा भी पीछे लग गया। सभी लोग एलेक्सियोस के पीछे पागल हैं भाई, सब इसको मारना चाहते हैं। उस ट्रैकर का कोई कॉइन चोरी करना था हमें।
It's done.
You work quickly.
What are you going to do with them?
Dump them in a well. Ah, it looks like the official has arrived.
I apologize for the delay. There was evidence someone attempted to tamper with the votes. Don't worry. The Ostraka are all accounted for. The votes were counted, and Anaxagoras is to be ostracized.
Be slow to fall into friendship, but once you do, continue firm and constant. It will be more difficult for me now that Anaxagoras must leave Athens. We were quite close, although he and Pericles were much closer. It's strange, Pericles wasn't here today to defend him.
Would Pericles normally defend someone?
A good friend? Of course. Yet, Anaxagoras seems pleased with the result. This day has brought more questions than answers.
Who are you?
Ask anyone and they'll tell you Socrates. But a name gives you nothing. Our actions determine who we are, and every action has its pleasures and its price. With that said, then, who do you claim to be?
My name is Alexios.
And still, I don't feel I know you. Perhaps I can find out who you are a different way.
You want to know me?
Knowledge is the one good in this world. Surely you agree?
I can't be paid in knowledge.
Ah, then you are driven by the desire for wealth.
Drachmi is the one thing people need.
Many believe they need more than they actually do.
एलेक्सियस बोल रहा है कि भाई मुझे पैसों से प्यार है, मुझे तो पैसे चाहिए हर काम के।
Someone who would do whatever you feel is necessary, perhaps for drachmi, or maybe to further a personal goal.
That describes a lot of people.
I suppose I'm curious why you did it. How could I not be when you're the reason my friend is being forced to leave the only home he's ever known?
I did what I was asked to do.
And your needs are greater than those of the man you helped ostracize. Still, you raise a fine point. Who is more responsible? Anaxagoras for getting himself mixed up in this? Or you, for simply sealing his fate?
I'm not responsible for his actions. I have one thing to think about. My own.
Then I hope you also think about today. About Anaxagoras about choice.
Socrates, there you are.
Here I am.
You're late. They're all waiting for you.
I wish to see Anaxagoras' fate, and so I have. Tell them I'm on my way. Well, it seemed our conversation is at its end. Although I hope it isn't the final one we have.
I wouldn't know.
वही हमें यहाँ पे ऑस्ट्रेलिया का कोई सिक्का वगैरह चोरी करके लेके आना था जो हम ले आए। अब अगला क्वेस्ट देख लेते हैं क्या है।
Stop. I can't let you go any further.
Stand aside. This is important.
So he's keeping people out. Maybe you can see Phidias after his trial, if the people spare his life.
Listen, I'm working for Pericles. He wants me to see Phidias.
Well, I'm working for the people of Athens and they want Phidias dead. Now back off or you're dead too.
भाई ये गार्ड इसको अंदर जाने नहीं दे रहा। शायद इसको पैसे देने पड़ेंगे।
Everyone has a price. How much drachmi is this going to take?
Depends how much you have.
हाँ पैसे मांग रहा है भाई अंदर भेजने के।
That'll do just fine. You tell anyone I did this and you're as good as dead.
Funny. I was going to say the same to you. Sorry about that.
How did you get past the guard? No one gets past the guard.
Relax. Pericles sent me.
Praise Athena. I knew he'd send help. I was worried they sent someone after me.
He sent me to get you out of Athens.
So he knows about the plot.
You mean the trial? From what I've seen, you don't stand a chance.
Ha! The people love me. I am the Phidias. there are others. Look.
Malaka. It isn't a trial Pericles is saving you from. These are instructions to murder you. Who wrote this?
I don't know who to trust. I'm just an artist. I just wanted to create. Please, what am I to do?
First, you need to pull yourself together. You're on trial. The people are against you. And now I find that the cult want to kill you. I said pull yourself together.
Yes, of course.
Cleon said you're wasting the people like me. If he had his way, he'd serve them your head.
Cleon mentioned me? That's going to hurt Pericles. First impiety, now theft. After all we've done for this city.
Cleon said you're wasting the...
Cleon meant...
All right, we need to go. Do you have any idea where I can take you?
South of Athens, there's an island called Seriphos. My friend Theras lives there. When I discovered the plot against me, I sent word to him. If anyone can help us, he can.
Good. Any clues he has of the cultist identities, I want them.
Yes, yes, anything. A guard.
I'll distract them while you sneak out. Meet me tonight to set sail for Seriphos. Don't show your face until you see me at the docks.
I understand.
You didn't really think I'd let you come and go as you please, did you? Now, where are you?
If I meditate, maybe Phidias will be here when I'm done. So many boats. So many people. There must be enough food here to feed Kefalonia for a year.
Viaggio.